Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on OPPO A38. So on this device we have a Google Lens, so it's very easy and quick. In the first step we have to open the Google Photos app. And now just look for the photo that you want to search in the Google. Like this one for example. Now click on the Google Lens and hold process starting automatically, and we are looking for similar or the same objects in the Google Picture database. Tap on the continue. And this is the way I can do it. You can also change the searching area by swiping the edges to look for something more specific. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.